sausage and hot dog quesadillas. The things that you'll be needing are some tortillas, any kind of cheese you like, some sausages, I cut them up into semi-circles, some green pepper, any spices of your choice. I used salt, pepper, chili powder, chili flakes, onion powder, and garlic powder. Some pepper, cut up hot dogs, 2 tablespoons of oil, some sliced tomatoes, some onions, and any kind of sauce. Let's get on with the video. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is pour in your oil into a pan. We're gonna wait for this to heat up. As we wait, we're gonna boil our hot dogs. I have started to boil some hot water on the stove. After my water has boiled, I'm gonna add in my hot dogs. My oil has heated up. Now I'm going to be adding in my onions. Now add in your green peppers. Add in your green chilies. As my vegetables are sauteing, I'm going to be adding in my hot dogs into the boiled water. When the hot dogs start to float to the top of the water, I know that they're going to be cooked. Now that all of my vegetables are sauteed, I'm going to be adding a little bit of sauce. Now mix that up a little bit. This is an optional step. You can add as much sauce as you want. Now you can add in all of your spices. So now let this sit for about 1 minute and then transfer it onto a different plate. Now using the same dish, we're going to be cooking our sausages. So I'm going to drop my sausages in here. After a few seconds, you can add in a little bit of oil. I've added some oil, so I'm going to mix that in with it. So now I'm going to cover this up for about 3 to 5 minutes. So as you can see, all the hot dogs have floated to the top of the pan. Now I'm going to drain these out and put them on a separate dish. So now the sausages have fully cooked as they have started browning. So this is the perfect time to drain out any excess oil and add in the vegetables again. So I've drained out all of the excess oil and now I'm going to add in the rest of my vegetables. Make sure to save some of the vegetables because we will be adding that into the hot dog portion of this quesadilla. Now we can set this aside. Now add back in the rest of the vegetables that we left over. Add in your hot dogs. And a little bit more sauce. Now we can transfer this onto another plate. So on a tray, I have laid out my tortillas, added a little bit of mayonnaise, and added some cheese on half of the side. So now I'm going to be taking the sausage mixture and the hot dog mixture and spreading it out evenly between them. This is one. This is the sausage one. You're going to be spreading it out just a little bit all over. Make sure not to get it on the edge because we're going to need some space to close it up. Now doing the same thing with another one. I'm going to be adding the hot dog one just to this one over here. Fold over the other half, just like this. Make sure not to get the sauce on the other side. So push on the corners like this. Now we're gonna put this inside of the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. So the quesadillas have come out of the oven. I'm gonna be cutting them and then showing you how I plate them onto a different plate. So this is how the tortillas look after I cut them. This is perfect for any party or any kind of occasion. All kids and adults will love them. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye.